Implants in dental have grown into the most popular method of filling in missing teeth and for helping to restore smiles. They're a durable and reliable solution for people who want to improve their oral health and restore confidence of their smile. However, did you realize that there are many different kinds of dental implants available to pick from? In this clip, we'll go over the many varieties of dental implants and their benefits. 1. Endosteal implants. Endosteal implant are the most commonly used form of dental implants that are employed today. They are surgically placed into the jawbone. They serve as a strong base to support a dental crown bridge or denture. Implants made for endosteal purposes are composed out of titanium. It is biocompatible materials that fuse with the jawbone, providing an extremely solid base for tooth replacement. 2. Subperiosteal implants. Subperiosteal implant are an option that is less injurious to endosteal implants. Instead of being inserted directly into the jawbone, subperiosteal implant are placed in the top of the bone and just below the gum line. The implants are customized in order to match the form of the jawbone. They're fixed with metallic posts which protrude from the gums. Subperiosteal implant are an excellent alternative for those who don't have sufficient bone density to support conventional implants. 3. Allon 4 implants. The Allon 4 implants are an innovative method that allows the provision of a complete arch of teeth on only 4 implants. This technique is perfect for patients missing all their teeth in the jaw or both seeking an easier and more secured option than conventional dentures. The Allon 4 implant uses an implant with a tilt for maximum bone support. They also ensure stability of the fixed dental prosthesis. 4. Mini implants. Mini implants are less dimensions than traditional implants. They typically use that have only a small amount of bone density or space. Implants that are smaller in size and smaller and less invasive, requiring less healing time than conventional implants. Implants with mini size are often utilized to fix lower dentures as well as for replacing missing teeth that are in restricted areas. 5. Zygomatic implants. Zygomatic implant is a specific type of implant fixed in the cheekbone or zygomatic bone instead than in the jawbone. They are commonly utilized in instances that have severe lower jaw bone loss jaw, and conventional implants do not work. Zygomatic implants are a safe basis for fixed dentures as well as restoring beauty and function to your smile. There exist a myriad of types of dental implants to accommodate the individual demands of each individual. No matter if you're missing a single tooth, several teeth, or your entire set of teeth, there's the dental implant option to make your smile stronger and enhance your overall quality of living. Discuss with your dentist to find out which type of dental implant is the best to meet your demands and gain self-confidence in your smile today.